We're making our way along the Great Ocean Road in our 1976 orange Kombi named Archie. The Great Ocean Road is well known for many things. It's even claimed the title of the most famous road in Australia. We're going to be visiting some of the most popular spots and finding some hidden gems along the way. Parked the Kombi at a pretty beautiful spot for lunch, and we've run into two guys here, Teddy and Crystal, on the e-bikes, and they are cruising up the Great Ocean Road for how long?
We're trying to get back to Ocean Grove.
We're trying to get to Ocean Grove, so it's like easily 250 odd k's. It's about 250 k's, but these are e-bikes, so they're like cruising at about 20 k's an hour, and we've got Archie also cruises at about 25 k's an hour. If you're looking for a swim, Port Campbell offers one of the best sheltered beaches this far up on the coast. We're now heading along the coast to catch sunset at a spot that's only known by locals. So we're up on the point at the moment, and golden hour is going off. It's misty. Ben's getting some amazing footage from the sky, and Jacob is across the other side. So the idea is, once again, Jacob's got a big zoom lens on. We're going to compress a lot of the cliffs and everything, and we're trying to recreate a photo we did about a year ago. Just the last time we were here, it was raining, windy, weather was atrocious. So we're kind of capitalizing on some really good conditions, and it's just beautiful that hardly anyone's here. So we're very, very lucky. This weekend was all about just getting out and appreciating where we live and what's around us. And on a night like tonight, with scenes like this going on behind me, an incredible sunset happening, more vistas, good mates, and I think it's moments like these, it's just simple. We're just taking a couple of photos and you're done in 15, 20 minutes, and then you hang out and you have a look at where you are, and you realise just how special the world around us is and how pumped I am to explore more of Australia. I wanted to start having a bit of a crack at making a bit of a vlog and taking you along with me on some of these adventures. And so I guess in many ways, this is a start to that journey. And so I thought, what better way to start that journey than in my own backyard? And well, can't really get much better than this, can it? Our last morning here on the coast, we've got up just before sunrise, and the sun behind us is starting to crest. Jacob's awake, but what we're greeted with I've taken my drone out at sea, headwind. Classic move by me is always take it out in gnarly conditions. The batteries run out to 0%, and I've been flying against a headwind just to come in, and I've just picked land and just tried to drop down below the horizon. I've managed to get it just on the edge of a cliff and just land it there. So
It looks like it's in the water.
it looks like it's in the water. I'm very nervous that I might lose my drone, but anyway, hopefully if you see the shots, we got the drone, but now we're going to go and see if we can get this a few hundred meters away. If we just dropped out of the sky on these, it'll kind of be a soft landing.
Been walking around for about half an hour now, still no sign of it. Every edge of the cliff looks the same, and our hope is now dropping. Alright, I found it. Take me later, bro.
How is it?
This belongs to you. Yeah, it's pretty good, actually. Oh, that was a lucky one.
Oh, 0% battery.
I was liking your chances there.
What? Mate, I was so optimistic.
I'm so glad it actually wasn't over here where we were looking, because there's bushes everywhere and they all look the same.
Yeah, what do you mean? You were like 300 meters off.
Mate, that's the map on the remote. It's not even accurate. How am I meant to fly this thing if the map's not accurate?
Yeah, it's not good.
Like, TGI, sort your shit out.
Oh, fuck.
Doesn't matter how many years you've been flying drones, shit does go wrong. I think the key distinction though is how you react. It's probably the closest call I've had with battery life. I've never flown a drone to 0%.
Good instincts from behind there. Just shoot it into the closest peak.
I'm coming up, I'm going low. I'm getting low, getting low, getting low. I'm feeling it when I'm sipping on. I'm getting low, getting low, getting low. I hear the hum begin to grow. It's telling me get up and get out, get up and
It's time to pack up camp and get out of here.
gotta level up, gotta be strong. I'm getting on, getting on, getting on. You feeling it? So come along. I'm getting on.
Just a little bit up the road, we've parked the combi, and first week out for a lot of the city folk, and it's absolutely packed right now. But nonetheless, we're going to go check out the Apostles.
Get out, get up and
It wasn't called the 12 Apostles.
It was.
Don't quote me on this, but
This is
I'm pretty
news to me.
sure it was the 12 piglets.
The 12 piglets. Years old.
They were originally the sow and piglets.
The Sow and Piglet.
Yeah.
I almost prefer the 12 piglets.
The name was officially the 12 Apostles, despite only ever having 8.
Oh, so it's always had 8. It's always had 8.
What's wrong with our country?
So there was never 12. It's a lie.
Well, originally, that was probably 12.
Originally. So the 12 Apostles over here, beautiful. It's getting all the tourists. You can probably see some of the boardwalks, and we've just seen all this construction work going on, and have just discovered they're doing a $9.2 million upgrade, and this is going to have like a big kind of observation deck that's going to like come out from the cliff. I think it's going to be quite epic, so that's why they've closed it all off. They've pulled it all out. You used to be able to walk out there. So updates, 12 Apostles.
Watching the sunset on Tennessee hills. I wish I could capture it, I never will.
So we've just arrived back home.
I'm not
Played a joke on Brian and I told everyone that Chris Hemsworth lives here. That's why they're all here. And now Brian has to deal with it.
Just sitting here
wild. Anyway, that's going to be the end of the vlog. Shall we do it again, boys?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It's kind of awkward when you're like fist
We're so
pumping, you don't know what to
fatigued, we
do.
just don't know what to do or say. But yeah, that was a ripper. We'll 100% do that again.
All right, let's do it again. Until the next one.